So today we're going to go to the garden center and see what I can find. That candle is so pretty. If you have mushrooms, flowers, or birds on your stuff, I can guarantee that I will be attracted to it. Yep, my eye is drawn directly to these birds. So cute. This section is giving me cottagecore vibes. I'm loving all of it. Look at all these kalanchoes. So pretty, this pink one. True fact, kalanchoes was one of the first plants sent up to space by the Russians. Salyut ship or something like that. Oh, this orange one is so pretty. I've never seen an orange one before. And what is all of this grass-looking stuff? Is that jasmine? I think it is. One of these days, I will be a good enough houseplant gardener to buy orchids and take care of them, but not today. Oh, some more winter heather. I have some at home. This type is Springbrook. Mine is Mediterranean. 99 cents? Yep. You betcha I'm getting that. Look at all these pretty Valentine's colors. Oh, I want to get some, but I don't know if I really want to spend that much money for something that's only going to last like a month or two at most. Oh, pretty though. Look at that. Still some plumes not popped yet. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I really want some, but I think I'm going to hold off. It's definitely not warm enough for these yet. And sadly, I don't have a greenhouse. At least not yet, anyway. But look at all this color. It's so pretty. Look at all these hellebores. Oh my goodness. There's Penny's pink, some Frost Kiss white and red. I think I have all of these already. What is this? It looks like heather. Erica Schneekubby? Yeah, that is heather. I've just never seen white like this before. That's really pretty. Oh, wallflowers. If only I had a greenhouse. It's still a little bit too wet, windy, on top of being cold. Oh, English daisies? I think. I have some English daisies, but they don't look quite like this. This is a different kind. What kind is this? Habanero? Oh, that's interesting. $10 off on bare root fruit trees, huh? Not sure that's a good thing for my budget. I already have enough apple trees. We just planted 3 last month. More apples. I'm looking for a plum. I was supposed to pick up an Italian plum and a hardy lemon tree last week, but I was sick, so I didn't get to, and I'm a bit bummed about that. But, this is cool. An espalier tree. It's like they're already espaliering it. Is that a word? Espaliering? Still some lavender trees left over from Christmas. Cherries. We just bought a couple cherries. I'm specifically looking for a pie cherry. Peaches. Some nectarines. Pair. We just bought a pair, so now we have 2. I don't need any more. Wow, this is a big one already. For $50. I don't know if I want a Shiro plum. What else do they got over here that's big? French Petite, maybe. And a Brooks Dwarf Prune. Oh my goodness, they have a lot more trees out here. I think it's just more what they have, just in bigger size. Ooh, a persimmon tree. A 4-way combo on one tree. That's pretty cool. Now on to houseplants. Why am I so drawn to kalanchoes? Every time I see something that's pretty, I go, look, it's a kalanchoe. This is a maybe. Hoyas. Look how cute these are. What is this one? This one looks interesting. That one's a maybe. Nope, it's not coming home with me, the price. It's a bit out of my budget for that size of plant. Maybe I can find a smaller one. Nope, doesn't look like they have any smaller ones. Maybe next time. So cute. I am specifically looking for a certain pot that I saw. Last time it was really pretty green with white dragonflies on it, but it was $56 and I was like, I don't want to spend that much at that time for a pot, but now I'm wishing I had gotten it because I'm not seeing it anywhere. And I think they sold out of them. It was so cute. I'm not surprised that they sold out of those pots. It was about like probably a 14-incher size pot. Should have bought it. Oh well. Well, it could have been worse. I almost bought a greenhouse today. So now I'm going to show you what I got at the garden center. But first, let's have a cup of tea because it's cold. Oh, brr. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's show you what I got. Mostly what I picked up at the garden center was primroses because it's pretty much one of the only thing that was blooming that I was interested in that I thought might make it out here. So I've got about 8 primroses. 6 of them are just your basic evening primroses. And the other two are currently in the window. The other 2 are in the window with the osteospermum here. Let's go get those because they needed some sun. So unfortunately, I can't tell you what type they are. The tag just says an assorted mix. So here's some basic bright pink. I got 2 of those. And then I got a couple of these like coral with the yellow in the center. I guess they all have yellow in the center. But isn't that color pretty? It is perking back up since it's been in the window. And then I got a couple of this color. Kind of this bright, almost, I don't know, kind of a magenta fuchsia, I guess, with white around the yellow in the center. And I thought that was a really interesting color. So I got 2 of those. And then this primrose was interesting because it's a double bloom and it's so pretty. I didn't even think it was a primrose at first. I was like, what is that? But I got 2 of those. So that's the primroses I got. And then I got a couple of osteospermums. They're just a mix. I can't tell you what type they are. It does look very similar. The colors look very similar to the Bright Lights osteospermums from Proven Winners. So it's kind of got like those sunset colors. So those are really pretty. I got 2 of those. So that's it as far as outdoor plants that I picked. I will show you the house plants that I bought. You'll see that on Saturday when I talk about safe house plants for pets. And tomorrow I'm going to show you some really cute planters I picked up from Walmart. So until next time, feed the pollinators for me.